Welcome to Fabi John's, the joy of decorating. When it comes to decorating, the details are what truly make a house feel like a home. You can have all the big pieces in place, your sofa, your rug, your table. But it's the small touches, the little details that pull everything together and give your home that designer feel. Today, I'm going to show you the details that make the biggest impact in any space. One of the most important details is texture. A flat room, even if it's decorated beautifully, feels unfinished without it. Think woven baskets, linen pillows, chunky knit throws, even wood grains or stone accents. Designers layer textures to create warmth and dimension. It's what keeps a neutral palette from feeling boring. Another detail that makes a huge difference is hardware and fixtures. Swapping out basic knobs, handles, and light switches is such a simple change, but it instantly upgrades the look of a kitchen, bathroom, or even a piece of furniture. I do it all the time, and it really fascinates me every time I see what a difference it has made. It's like putting jewelry on your home. Designers also pay attention to styling with trays and small objects. Instead of scattering candles, books, and accessories randomly, group them together on a tray. This small detail makes everything look intentional and pulled together instead of cluttered. Lighting is another detail that changes the entire mood of a room. Overhead lights are useful, but designers layer in table lamps, floor lamps, and even sconces to add warmth and depth. The difference between a room that feels cozy and inviting versus one that feels harsh and flat often comes down to lighting details. A subtle but powerful detail is window treatments. Curtains hung high and wide, or beautiful woven shades make a room feel taller, brighter, and more finished. It's a small thing most people overlook, but it has such a big impact. And of course, no details matter more than personal touches. Family photos in beautiful frames, a bowl you picked up while traveling, or a piece of art you love. These details are what makes your home unique to you. Designers know it's not just about style, it's about your story. When it comes to decorating, never underestimate the details. They may be small, but they're what makes a room feel polished, warm, and uniquely yours. In the bathroom or kitchen, soaps and trays make all the difference. Instead of keeping a plastic bottle of dish soap by the sink, pour it into a pretty dispenser and place it on a small tray with a hand towel or brush. In the bathroom, a beautifully wrapped bar soap or a glass dispenser with hand soap feels like a boutique hotel. These are tiny details that guests always notice. And speaking of trays, designers love to use serving trays or soup trays, not just for meals, but as styling pieces. A tray on a coffee table gathers books, candles, and flowers into neat arrangements. On a kitchen counter, it holds oils, spices, and utensils in an intentional way. Trays are the secret to make a collection of small things look styled, not messy. What all of these details have in common is that they take the everyday and make it elegant. A doorknob, a teacup, a soap dispenser. These are things you already use, but when you choose them thoughtfully, they become part of the design, ritual, or story of your home. So remember, it really is all about the details, the small, beautiful touches you add to your home that can change not only the way it looks, but also the way it feels to live in it. Thanks for watching. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and help us reach the 3,000 goal. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.